This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have tools ready. Start by cleaning the thread so measurements aren't false. Use a brush and bright light. Remove paint, dirt, and burrs. Once done, decide if the thread is external or internal because measuring differs. First, measure major diameter with calipers, record to 0, 1 mm or 0.01 inch. Then align a thread pitch gauge to count crests per unit. Do this slowly and repeat measurements to confirm consistent readings, since one slip gives the wrong size. Now focus on the detailed measurement. You measure the major diameter across the peaks for external threads and the minor diameter inside for internal threads. Use consistent jaw placement. Next, select the matching tooth on the pitch gauge. Test several teeth until one fits without rocking. If you're an imperial, count threads per inch. If metric, read pitch in millimeters. Make sure to measure at multiple points around the thread to detect wear or damage, which alters the effective size. Finally, use your diameter and pitch values to match a standard size from a chart or a labeled fastener set. This confirms the nominal thread. Once matched, test fit a corresponding nut or bolt to ensure smooth engagement without play. If parts bind, examine for cross-threading or damage and remeasure after cleaning. One key tip: if measurements disagree, stop and inspect for taper or wear. Remeasure at different depths and use a comparator nut to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.